Do not stay in that pad or tampon for 8 to 6 hours during the day, okay? Okay. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, we are doing another girl talk, and we are talking about how to smell good, how to stay fresh during your period. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Hey girl, hey. So here are a few tips that I do on how I smell fresh, smell good while I'm on my period, while I'm on a diet, while it's Shark Week, whatever you want to call it. I got Shark Week from Ashley Devana here on YouTube, and I just like it. But yes, anywho, disclaimer, I am not a doctor. I'm not a professional. This is what I do that works for me, and I would like to share it with you. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So the first tip I have is take a shower, which is like self-explanatory. When I'm on my period, I like to take a shower twice, one in the morning, one at night, because I just need to get all that off of me so I could feel better during the day, and so I could just feel more comfortable, because you're just sitting in it all day, all night, and I just gotta like clean it off my body so I could feel nice, fresh, and clean. So fresh and so clean. But yes, also while you're in the shower, use a natural feminine wash. Heavy on the natural, okay? Not Summer's Eve or any other feminine wash that has like a fragrance to it, because that will throw off your pH balance, and that is not cool, okay? So use a natural feminine wash or just use water. The feminine wash that I love to use is the Honey Pot natural feminine wash, and I use it in the normal one. They also have a sensitive one, so if you're sensitive down there, you could try out the sensitive one. But I love the Honey Pot feminine wash because I just feel so clean after using it. And if you've seen any of my other feminine hygiene videos or any of my other girl talk videos, I always recommend this feminine wash. Like, it's just bomb. I don't know how many times I gotta keep saying that it's bomb, but yes, it's bomb and it's natural. And I still got the little plastic thing on here because the one that I'm currently using is inside the shower. I just grabbed my backup from underneath the cabinet so I could come show you guys what it looks like. And the sensitive one is light blue, and they sell this at Target. So yeah. So the next tip that I have for you is try to shave before your period comes on. I kind of like roughly know when my period comes on because I use this app to track my period, which is the Flo App. If anybody is interested in knowing, this video is not sponsored. I'm just saying, letting you know what type of app that I use to track my period. But yes, try to shave before your period comes on, because whenever you keep hair down there, it does accumulate a smell, because hair carries odor, and you don't want to be smelling like funky or anything while your period is on, because blood does have a stench and it stinks. That plus hair plus like sweating, if you do any like active sports or you work out or whatever, that stuff stinks, okay? So yeah, shave that area, or however you remove your hair, just remove your hair before your period comes on, because like I said, hair carries odor, and yeah, that's on that. The next tip I have for you is wear unscented pads. And the reason why I say unscented, because so the scent from the pad and your natural scent when you're on your period, like that, no, that's just a big X, okay? So wear some unscented pads. I do have a few here to recommend for you all. They are natural pads. I am a true believer on wearing natural pads. So I picked up these pads from Walmart, and the brand name is Just a Period, and it says dyes none, fragrances 0, chlorine, bleaching nope, and it is 100% cotton. So I got the overnight ones. I didn't mean to grab the overnight ones. I meant to grab like the regular ones, but whatever. But it's 20 comes in a box, and I think it was like $5. If not, I'll put the correct price on the screen. But yes, these are some really good pads that I've been like currently using. Yeah, they're super natural and I highly recommend them. Y'all already know my favorite brand of pads, tampons, panty liners to wear if you saw any of my feminine hygiene videos, because I said them inside those videos. But it is the L brand, and you could get these from Target. This package here is the liners, because this was like the first bag that I grabbed underneath my cabinet. I was trying to grab my pads, but I ended up grabbing the liners. But it's a good thing that I did grab these, because I do have like a few tampons in here, so y'all can see like the packaging or whatever. But yes, these are natural, chlorine free, no synthetic pesticides, dyes, or fragrances. Bomb.com. Okay, they also have tampons. If you are a tampon user, this is what the packaging looked like. They have regular, and they also have super for like the heavy flow or whatever. But yes, highly recommend this brand and also the other brand. I'm not sure if that other brand that I showed sells tampons, because I didn't see them in Target, in Walmart. But then again, I wasn't looking for them, because when I'm on my period, I wear pads, and that's on that. But if I need to wear a tampon here and there or whatever, I'll wear it. But that's just not that's not the first thing that I'll grab whenever my period comes on. Also, if you don't mind your hands being close to that area, I recommend the Diva Cup. That's another thing that you can use while you're on your period. The next tip that I have for you is to change out your pad and tampon frequently. I like to change out my pad whenever, like every time when I go to the bathroom, I'm changing it. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to clear something up. I changed my pad based off sight. So every time when I go to the bathroom, if I see that it's a lot, then I'll change it. So that's just me. I'm gonna change it out, and that's on that. But I know like on the back of the packaging, or if you read the directions or something like that, it says that you can leave it on, or leave the pad on, or leave the tampon in for like, I think 6 to 8 hours. I don't do that, because I don't like sitting in my pad for too long. So that's why I say change it out frequently. I wouldn't recommend doing that for 6 to 8 hours, because like the longer it sits, the more the smell goes out, or the more the smell, like, I don't freaking know. I think they say that for whenever you're going to bed or things like that, because you are laying down for at least 6 to 8 hours. So yeah, but during the day, highly recommend changing out your pad and tampon. So the next tip that I have for you is use flushable wipes whenever you go to the bathroom, because flushable wipes is that chick period. Like, I use flushable wipes on a daily basis whenever I go to the bathroom, on and off my period, whatever. I use flushable wipes, and I highly recommend using them, because like it just does more. It does more than tissue does. Okay, and that's all I'm gonna say. Use some flushable wipes. Get you some flushable wipes if you don't have any already. So the flushable wipes that I like to use is the Walmart brand, which is the Equate brand. I got this, it's a 5-pack. Yeah, it's a 5-pack, as you can see, but I already have one inside my bathroom. But yes, this comes in a 5-pack. I'm not really sure how much it is. I'll leave the price on the screen. But yes, these are really good. So these wipes are hyperallergenic, made with 100% plant-based fibers. They're biodegradable, and it has a fresh scent. So the fresh scent is not really like that overpowering, like it's barely there. I haven't had any problems with using these wipes. I think they do have some unscented wipes that you can also get from the Equate brand. So if scent bothers you, definitely check out the unscented version of these. They compare them to the Cottonelle flushable wipes, but this is just cheaper. If you could save a little coin, go ahead and get you some Equate brand. If not, use the Cottonelle. I've never used the Cottonelle. I've always used the Equate brand. So yeah. If you're out and about and you don't want to carry that big old thing of wipes around inside your purse or your bag or whatever you carry around with you, I completely understand. So right here we have some Down There wipes in the scent Shea and Cocoa, and they're also flushable. This is what they look like. So they come in like these little packets. This is what the little packets come, well, this is what the packet looked like. And this one says treat your vajayjay like it's on vacay. This is so cute. But yeah, you can just carry you like 5 or 6 of these inside your purse or your period emergency kit. So yes, the same with the Equate brand flushable wipes. These are hyperallergenic, non-sticky residue, no parabens, no alcohol. Well, they're alcohol free and so fresh and so clean. That's what it says on the side of here. But yes, these are also some really good flushable wipes that you can just take on the go. Little packet is very convenient. So yeah, and you can get these. I got these from off of Amazon. I'm not sure where else they sell these at, but I purchased these from off of Amazon. And last but not least is to wear some perfume. Now I'm not saying if you smell yourself and you're not smelling good, that does not mean put perfume over yourself to hide the smell, because that's not going to work. Okay, I just grabbed this random perfume from out of my little perfume collection. This is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy. This smells really good. Put your perfume, your body spray, your body oil on after you get out the shower while your body's still wet. Put it on your clothes, and also put spray some more perfume or whatever on after you changed your pad and tampon, like after you freshened up in the bathroom and things like that. So you could just feel good about yourself, smell good, you know. So yeah, a good thing to remember is you can smell yourself before others smell you. So if you smell or you feel like you're not smelling right or smelling good, definitely go to the bathroom, freshen up, use your flushable wipes, change out your pad, change out the tampon, put on some perfume, and you'll be good. Also, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below some tips that you do while you're on your period to smell good, smell fresh during the day. Comment down below, because you never know, you can be helping another woman out, and that is what this is all about. So yes, comment that down below, let's chat. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.